Video to fix Avowed crashing when compiling shaders. Are you tired of your game closing every time it tries to load shaders? This happens because Avowed struggles with certain graphics settings and shader files on some PCs. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't work for everyone. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that can stop these crashes instantly. You don't need to mess with complicated files or spend hours tweaking settings. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it and make Avowed run smoothly again. Comment below if you want me to show the easy method. Don't waste time with confusing guides. This trick works fast and keeps your game running. Follow Rexist for more simple gaming fixes that actually work.